Hey sis, welcome to the reflection space. You may have joined from one of my recent vendor events, and I'm so happy you're here. Whether it was the affirmation that made you sign up, the quiz, or you just wanted to be a part of the space, you are in the right place. For your healing, for your wellness, for your health, for your saving, everything. It's all about the healed, evolving, and reclaiming woman. So, which version of you are you? Take the quiz. I'll also put the link in the comments or in the email for you to take the quiz so you can know where you are. And the quiz also provides the chapters of the book that is most suitable for you to read. So, are you going to grow with me? Remember, this is a community of women who are going through the same thing, have been through the same thing, and is ready to reclaim everything. And so you can learn from them, you can help them, and we can all evolve together. So what are we going to do? Are we going to do that? Well, I can't do it alone. I've created the space, I've created the app, I've invited the women, but I need y'all to engage and need y'all to pour into each other so that we can grow. And most importantly, I need your feedback because without your feedback, I can't make the changes. This is all my vision, this is all my ideas, but I'm just one woman who has a vision. So I need your input to make it better. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for pouring into me. Thank you for supporting my mission and my vision because without you, I'm just a girl with an idea. So read the book. Let me know how you feel. And thank you for supporting me. Bye.